Hello guys! Have a nice day! Welcome to my vlog. Hello again! Ako na po ni si Helen Boholana. Today, I have some another snacks here in Germany. I want to try. I never ate this before. The number one I try this crackers, our German food, German snacks. Many different kind of crackers, but this is German product. I want to try this. Yeah. This how to open these crackers. Okay, automatic. Crackers. Oh, like a domino. What's the name of this? Oh, Manner. Okay, Manner crackers. Lekker, lami. Not so sweet. Balance. Normally, I eat in Philippines, so super sweet. Crackers is very sweet. Here is delicious. Manner. Manner. Name is Manner. Okay. Delicious. And the second is Choco Crucis Original. On this is the sign for E is healthy, B is healthy, C is not so healthy, D is not so healthy. How to say that? E is very sweet. This is dangerous for diabetic people. Too much sugar. It's okay. Not so everyday. Moderation. Moderation is okay. Eat moderation. This is the sign for good or too much sugar. Eat moderation. But this kind of cookies, I never ate this in Philippines. Only here in Germany. This is new cookies. Sweet. Super sweet. I think sweet. Oh my god. Yeah. I remember in Philippines have a peanut cookies like this, but I don't know what is this. I try. Crunchy, super sauce. Oh, crunchy. Okay. It's okay, but super sauce. Crunchy. Like that's in whole chocolate hills, the peanut butter. I forgot, but same like this super sauce. Coated by chocolate, a lot of chocolates. But super sauce. Choco Crucis Original. Made in Germany. Oh my god. Super sauce. Oh my god. And the next, Cereola Milkies. This is new. I never been say how many years here. I never say this. And now I try how it how it tastes this. I open. Okay. Cookies. This is this cookies made cereal. I think cereal. Yeah, cereal. That's why I knew. I try this, huh? Good for travel. Easy to bring this for snacks. Delicious. I like this. This is my favorite. This is new and this is delicious. I like very much this. And I have one new pound in the groceries. It is drinks, new drinks, like I think it is new. That's why I pick up one to try what is the taste of this. I want to show you. My favorite is Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. I want to try this. Very excited. What is this? This first time I see this Hello Kitty drinks. The flavor is himberry vihuya. I don't know how to pronounce himberry. What is himberry in English? Himberry vihuya. I don't know. But this is Hello Kitty. I like this Hello Kitty. I try this. What is inside? What it is? Sa kalami. Look, tanawa unsay color. Look at the color. Uy, pink. Pink color. Oh, same. Same. I want to try, I want to try to drink this first time. Like a bubble gum. Bubble? Okay. Like a bubble gum. I don't know. It's delicious. Also, especially cold. Very delicious. I think this is not so up to see this in the grocery to buy this. Yes, but delicious. Hello Kitty. My first drinks Hello Kitty. Delicious. Delicious. I have my new pound white chocolate Raffaello Cocos Mandel Creamy Ferrero. I want to try this because I never been tried this before. When I was in a small kinder, because this is a chocolate. I like chocolate, but not all chocolate I try before. Only local chocolate I try. But this one is, when I was in grocery, I found this very delicious, especially the picture in the box. That's why I want to try this. How it's taste. Okay, chocolate. All chocolate are sweetie, but I want to try this white chocolate. Normally I eat chocolate is brown, dark chocolate. Okay, I open this now and I try how it tastes. Where's the open here? Oh yeah, there. Oh, okay. How to sign for open? How to open? Okay. This is my first time to eat white chocolate here in Germany. Here in Germany is many different type of chocolate, white chocolate. Okay, I want to try a small, soft, very soft. Oh, wow, very creamy and not so sweet. Wow, delicious white chocolate. Rafaelo. Kokos mandel creamy. Kokos means coconut. Lobe. Kokos mandel creamy. Mandel is mandel. Creamy is cream. Creamig. Oh, melting. Very lekker. Delicious. Made in, I cannot read because, my God, I have no reading glass. I think it's made in Germany or Switzerland. Raffaello made in Europa, somewhere in Europe. Raffaello. I cannot read because so small letter. I have no reading glass here. Okay. That's all. Very delicious. Try this. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.